Victory Farms no odhi mbele kendo gimedo investments magi e county wa.
Kambi mar Viutravel kanyakla gi Journey to Africa kod Lady T orwako jolimbe makwan goyo 20 e alwora makadho wadh nam chumbi.
Welo go dhi neno kaka le mag bunge mar Masai Mara kind piny Kenya kod Tanzania kaka gidar ka bende gibiro limo kuonde mamoko.
Welo bende biro konyo e tayo chenro mag konyo rowere makie e alwora ma Kibra kod oganda mamoko mantie Masai Mara.
Meneja ma Viutravel Lemi Mataiwo koni limbe oseduogo e wang'e kata bed ni midhiero mar korona noroche.
Nomedo koni Viutravel jiwo limbe mag pinje mamoko.
To be here to receive our guests coming from the US. This is part of the group that we are having every month, and it's really refreshing to see that we are back to business. The tourism is flourishing. We thank the international tourists who are coming in, because this is the best time that they are going to Mara to see the migration. They are going to the coast to enjoy the sunny beaches of Mombasa, and we are encouraging more and more of these people when they come and enjoy the country, help where they can, and all of us have a sustainable tourism.
Y'all need to contact Viutravel. Y'all need to contact Journey to Africa with Lady T. I'm excited about this partnership that I have with Viutravel and Journey to Africa with Lady T, because our mission is to get more people to Kenya, more people to experience the beauty of Kenya.